Track and field now. 2 development meets, including the STETHS Oliver Smith Invitational, are scheduled for Saturday. This will be the 41st staging of the meet, which is set for the school's grounds in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. There will be cash incentives for male and female teams in the championship 4x400 and 4x800 relays, where the winning teams will each receive $50,000. The meet will start at 9 a.m. with the boys' 400-meter hurdles. Meanwhile, the Dwyer Classic and Pentathlon Challenge will also be staged on Saturday, and that will be at the Stadium East Field starting at 8:30. The 100 and the 400 meters will be among the events offered on track to both genders, while in the Pentathlon Challenge, the girls will compete in the 200 meters, shot put, long jump, javelin and 800 meters in that order, while the males will do battle in the 400 meters, the shot put, long jump, pole vault and 1500 meters. The meet is a qualifier for the upcoming ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships.